Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the TP-Link USB wireless adapter. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a very nice and simple retail box. Up to 150 megabits per second speeds with a 2.4 gigahertz network connection. This is compatible with Windows and Mac devices. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have a resource CD. Then you can see we have our quick installation guide. So first up, we can open it up and you'll see this is for Mac OS right here. Here's all the instructions. So basically connected to a computer, install driver and utility, join a wireless network. Then we can flip it over to the back side. Here's your Windows instructions, very similar, connected to your computer, install the driver, join a wireless network. They also have troubleshooting and support information for you if you need any help. And this does come with a 2-year warranty. Then you can see we have the Nano USB right here. Nice Nano USB adapter. Very tiny, guys. Low profile, not going to take up much space, plugged into your computer. TP-Link's logo and branding is on it, which is cool. Looks great. Now let's go ahead, let's plug it in and try it out. So we got the device plugged in and it automatically downloaded the drivers for us. We didn't have to click or do anything with our Windows 10 device right here. You can see right here from our device manager settings that we have found the adapter. It's a USB 2.0 network adapter. This is also not a dual band adapter. This only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, so keep that in mind. But they do make a dual band option if that is of interest to you. You can see right here now from our network connection settings, we have the Wi-Fi adapter right here where we can connect to it, and you can see all of our network options right here. We only have one option, that's our local 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. We do have a dual band router with the 5 gig network option, but it's not even going to show up right here with the 5 gigahertz option. So we only have our 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. So let's go ahead, let's connect to that now and conduct a speed test. So now we're ready to run a speed test. Let's go ahead, let's initiate it right now. My ISP results should be 450 down and up to 20 for our upload. But realistically, I get somewhere around 2 to 450 down and 15 to 20 up, just depending on the time of day. Just keep in mind your results will vary as well. Again, this is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. That'll depend on your router as well and how far away it is, obstacles, that sort of thing. So for this test, we're actually a story above where the Wi-Fi router is. A lot of cables, a lot of obstacles, a lot of things in the way as we conduct this test. You can see our final results are 5.8 down and 1.47 for our upload speeds. Now, if we look at the box, we're supposed to get up to 115 megabits per second, and my ISP does provide me with 450 down, so 300 more than what we're supposed to get with this adapter, and my upload is supposed to be 20. Again, speeds vary if you're using a hardwire or you're using a Wi-Fi adapter and network like this, so just keep that in mind. So I went ahead, I conducted the test one more time using my wife's computer downstairs, which is on the same level and floor as our Wi-Fi router, because I was really expecting to get a lot closer to the 150 mark instead of just trying to break 10. So when I conducted again from her computer, where this is actually going to be used, we got better results. We got 24 down and 10 up, but honestly, it's not really anywhere close to the 150 megabits per second that's advertised with this device. So my final thoughts are as follows. This might be a good enough solution for you, but in my honest opinion, I think it's just too slow. You're better off checking out some of their other adapters that promise even higher speeds, better connections, and have dual band Wi-Fi. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.